Hello friends, today we are here to understand exercise 1.1 question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer. Now children, please underline these words. Cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, so as it is given cube of any positive integer, so let us consider in the solution that let a be any positive integer and b is equals to 3. Now you might be thinking why I have taken b as 3 while in the question it is given as 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now children, if we are taking the b as 9, then for the remainder you are going to get 9 possible cases, and it is really very lengthy and tiresome job to prove all the 9 possible cases. That's why instead of 9 I am taking b as 3, as we know that 9 is a multiple of 3, so we can take it. Okay, so then by Euclid's algorithm, we know that Euclid's algorithm is a is equals to bq plus r, but we have taken b as 3, so at the place of b substitute 3, so it becomes 3q plus r. For some integer q is greater than or equals to 0 and remainder is greater than or equals to 0 and less than 3. So greater than or equals to 0, so it starts with 0, 1 and 2. So we have to stop here as it is less than 3. So we got 3 possible cases. Now a can be 3q plus r. Okay, so at the place of r we have to substitute these values. Okay, so the 3 possible cases for a are a is equals to 3q plus 0, a is equals to 3q plus 1 and a is equals to 3q plus 2. Now let us take case 1. A is equals to 3q plus 0. So now 3q plus 0 is nothing but 3q. So I have taken a is equals to 3q. Now children, just focus on this word now. Cube of any positive integer. As we have taken positive integer as a, so we have to take the cube of this positive integer or cube of a. For that purpose, apply cube on both the sides. So after applying cube, a cube is equals to 3q whole cube. Now we know that 3 cube is 27, so 27 cube. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. Now a cube is equals to, now we have to show that it is in the form of 9m, so that's why I have taken 9 common over here, and what is remaining then in the bracket? 3q cube. 9 3s are 27 cube. Now this, the bracket thing, this number which is there in the bracket, I am going to consider this number as m. Okay, 3q cube, I am going to consider it as m because we need to show that it is in the form of 9m. Okay, so when we are considering this as m, then we get a cube is equals to 9m. Okay, so the cube of positive integer a is in the form of 9m. Now the remaining 2 cases are there, that is 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So here also we are left with 2 cases, that is a is equals to 3q plus 1 and a is equals to 3q plus 2. So let us take the second case. Case 2, a is equals to 3q plus 1. Again think about that, the cube of any positive integer. So apply cube on both the sides. So a cube is equals to 3q plus 1 whole cube. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube, we know the formula, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now as here a is equals to 3q and b is equals to 1, so substitute the value of a and b in the formula. Then you are going to get this after substituting. Then we know that cube of 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27 q cube plus 3q square whole square. Okay, so 3 3s are 9. From here we got 9 and then again multiply with this 3, so 9 3s are 27 q square plus 3 3s are 9q into 1 is again same 9q plus 1 cube. 1 cube is nothing but 1. Now children, we have to show that it is in the form of 9m plus 1. Okay, so 9m plus 1. So m, this plus 1 is already there with us, plus 1. So I just kept it separately, plus 1. And now I am going to get 9m. So I have taken 9 common from this. So I got in the bracket 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. So I am going to consider this as m. Okay, the bracket thing I am going to consider this as m. So when I am taking this as m, I am going to get the cube of positive integer a is 9 and this we have considered as m. So 9m plus 1. So second case is already also proved. Now case 3. What is case 3? A is equals to 3q plus 2. So apply again cube on both sides because we have to show that the cube of any positive integer. So a cube is equals to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Again the same thing. The formula, what is the formula? A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Substitute the values of a and b over here. A is 3q and b is 2. So after substituting the value in the formula, we are going to get this. Now a cube is equals to 3q whole cubes. 3q whole cube is nothing but 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27 cube plus 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9 from here because it is 3q whole square. 9 3s are 27 and then 27 2s are 54q square plus 3 3s are 9 and here 2 2s are 4. So 9 4s are 36q plus 2 cube is 8. Okay. So now we have to show that it is in the form of 9m plus 8. So plus 8 is already there with us. Okay. So I need to get 9m from here. So I just took 9 common. So when I took 9 common, what I got here in the bracket 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. So now I am going to consider this bracket thing as m. So we got a cube is equals to 9 and this we have taken as m. So 9m plus 8. So the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Thank you.